Alright folks, am I live? Let me set everything is perfect. But the way, am I live? Just be wait, yeah, I am live. Hello guys, what's up? Okay, let me share the links in my, maybe, I don't know. Share the, oops, share the link. Oh, holy shit, what I did. Sorry for the delayed. And yeah, now I am live. So I think so much time has passed. Let me quickly set the context for the actual video. Today we're gonna create something like more low level stuff. To be honest, I gonna create a card game in C. So now let me set quickly the contexts and what I gonna create, actually how this should work and what will be the main idea. So basically we will create a card game. So basically the normal card game, all we have played in our childhood. So basically there will be a card that we will control by our mouse or maybe our keypad by going right, left, up, down, something like that. Mostly right, left, and sometimes up, down. That's be the stuff. And there will be some obstacles. Let me actually give the obstacles a wrong color. Oops, just a second. Yeah, so there will be some obstacles. They will come like this, and I have to move like by holding this, maybe. Oh, I can't hold. Yeah, by going this and this, and they will come like this. I mean, they will come in front of me, and I have to just like this. All right. So what we noted, we will not do this in our terminal. We will open a new window, and in the window we will do this. What does that actually mean? I will do every prerequisites for this. This will be an end-to-end live. I have no code, so I will do everything live, and I will show you what stuff that gave me the idea to actually do this, because I think you have seen this type of games on terminals where people does the same in the terminal, or maybe in C++ Java they have some GUI model. Over there they have maybe played this type of games, but today I will use a new concepts that is new for me, and obviously I think that is new for you all guys. So quickly jump on my basics folder. So this is a normal folder. I have a couple of files here, but yeah. So what I will do, let me create at first a vim file. So vim card game .c. All right folks, so let me set so I'm not using new vim or nano. Now why this? Because you can see there is a new Vim file open here, but I'm just opening a Vim file and just doing everything from scratch. That's the thing. So what will be the stuff? First thing, that let me write the file name. So basically that is what is car game. Yeah. Car, holy shit, what I did, car game.c. all right, now what will be the car game? So basically I have said you the context. Now how I will use it, and before that I need some prerequisites for you. The main prerequisites is, if you are coming from an other language like me, to be very honest, like Python, like JavaScript, like C++, so you should know one concept, that is pointer. That is most important and most I will say most cute part of C, to be very honest. So that is, so let me include stdio.h and let me write the main file. So just a second. So yeah, printf hello world, and obviously a line break. If I don't do the line break, I will get some maybe bad lines, because the terminal will come on that line, because I don't give him a line break. Okay, so then return 0 and obviously end of the parenthesis, and let me create another terminal, or I can go over there, but let me go to WQ. I will use a single terminal. All right, so I can write gcc car game .c -o car game. So it is compiled, car game. So hello world is printed. All right, so let me go to my Vim again. Now what is important here, that is called pointer. So I'll give you a quick overview about pointer, because pointer is actually a vast topic, but I will give you just two main point of pointer, that is in C. Understand this word very carefully. Instead of printf, I have written this, right? Oops, just a second. I have just, yeah. So instead printf, I have written this hello world. Understand this thing very carefully. You have same thing, this thing, right? This is called string in other programming language. In C also we call it string, but actually under the hood it is not a string. So what is this? This is actually the array of a characters. Now what does it mean by array of characters? So I think you should see this, right? First thing is, let's say I have done char, maybe string str of maybe 32 bytes of stuff in it, and I am doing char p, and this p is pointing to the string. Now I am printf and %s for printing the string, comma str, and also I will print and %s of the p. Now just a second. So oh sorry, I haven't stored anything in there. So what I will do is I will do I don't know, maybe I will take the input from the user. So I will do what str and cpy. First thing is the variable is str. The second thing is maybe my name is, and the bytes, let's say 31. All right, I think now I can do it. Okay, so str in cpy, so that is str, not str in. So that is actually a module string.age, So that is strncpy or strcpy. So I can do man3 strncpy. This is, yeah, actually that is the thing. So all right, okay, just a second. Okay, someone have messaged me. Just a second. I don't know. Just a second. Who is there? Hello. It was not Visually was buffering. I don't know why it is showing open widget. Let me see. Even receiving stream status poor. What the fuck is this? Just a second. Just a second. Someone is there. But why I can't see the chat? Yeah. Oh, sorry, sir. Love ভাই ঘুমিয়ে যা সালা আমার ড্র করছিস এসব গুড নাইট ভাই yeah, good night brother, good night. Actually, there is a slow mode in my cam, so yeah, that's why I'm getting fraudulent stuff. So just a second, I think I should change my Wi-Fi with my real phone ID. Just a second. All right, I don't know why actually it's giving me a bug. Why my Wi-Fi is not connecting, man? Holy shit. Let me actually wait for the reconnection. I think that will be good. Yeah, this is now it is fine, right? Still crapping. I don't know, maybe I'll start doing. Yeah, all right folks, so let me resume the stuff, right? Holy shit. Okay, sorry. Yeah, he needs actually okay, so I think everything, the stuff is done. So yeah, what I did actually, understand this very properly. So I am importing strncpy, and what I did is I have a string, I mean the character of strings. So I am copying the demand values within that. All right, I think that's it. Now I can't. Okay, so I haven't imported that. So for importing I have to do hash include string.h. all right, yeah, now it is imported. Yeah, you can say this, understand this very properly. Both is returning me my name. This is important. This is important. Both is returning me the pointer as well as the string is returning. But if I do this, actually what the pointer points, actually what the pointer is pointing, so that time I have to do this. So just as for a simplification, let me remove. Now you can see this is returning me D. I think for the simplification, I think I have to just give one new line. So for this, I think for this, maybe here I will a new line and %n, and yeah, for this also. This is the most important part of actually C programming, the pointer. So understand this, the pointer is pointing the first character of the character string. It is pointing what? It is pointing the first character of the pointer. This is the pointer, I mean the string. Actually what we call string actually is the character of A, comma B, comma C, or here D, E, I mean the my name, and the pointer P is pointing the first character. If I do one thing, if I increase, now I think you may guess कि भाई कैसे कर रहा है ये actually, how is actually I'm getting the values. So it actually iterating through the whole array and returning me the values, right? So how to know that actually this is the pointer actually pointing to the string, I can do one thing. I can do p equal to p plus 1, or more specifically p plus plus. Alright, so if I compiles this and see, it is giving me e, so it is going throughout the whole array, and the s is actually an for loop, nothing but actually a loop that iterating throughout the array and returning me the values. This is the most important part, and most importantly it is actually the theory under the hood of a string, to be very honest. So how to know this? How to know this is actually iterating. I think you may guys are maybe if you are getting bored, but I think I should tell you this all. But yeah, actually we are building some games, but there are some prerequisite topics, otherwise maybe it will be more one-sided stuff, right? So I will do a for loop and iterate throughout the array of the character, and I will get the value. So I think this is all done, right? I think you have got the topic and got the point. Now what I have said key, I will not create a terminal based game, I will create a window based game. Now how to get a window in C? Because if I just printf this statement, maybe just a second, yeah, if I just printf maybe some statements and yeah, return something, and yeah, that will be a terminal based game. But why I have said ki bhai I will be creating some window based game? That actually is, I will use a module called ncurses. What the fuck is this? So yeah, I think so actually I got this video got the topic actually of ncurses from a YouTuber called, and YouTuber not, he's actually a professor and a good guy. His name is Jonas Birch. This is his name. You can check this guy out. He's pretty cool, I mean awesome C coder and a good network engineer, to be very honest. So yeah, let me start actually this. I think I will tell you some topic of ncurses, what actually I have learned from him, just what is ncurses, how to use it, and after that I will switch off building that game from live, right? Awesome. So let me go to my code and tell you what actually the ncurses is. So I don't need the printf, and most specifically I don't even need the string.age and include.age. Now what the fuck I did? What did I know? What I want? So I need one simple module called ncurses.age. It is a header file, to be very honest. What it does, it actually firstly init does screen. What does it mean? It actually initializes the window. What does it do? It initialize initializes, yeah, the window screen, to be more specifically. And I think I should delete this now, and maybe I will do it. And what actually it does, let me create int y comma x, maybe y comma x, and what I'll do, and I will point a variable move. What I'll do, I will maybe maybe what I'll do, yeah, let me actually show you how to move throughout the cursor. Yeah, I think that is good, and I think that is what I will do first. So for the first time, this actually should oops, I think, oops, what did it copy? Skip you, yeah. I don't know what actually it copied. Y comma x. So basically y and x's are coordinates that as you all know. So this is a coordinate system. So this is the y coordinate, this is the x coordinate, right? And I have the full power of my keypad. So how to know the keypad? Keypad means actually the numlock pads. Numlock pads means the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 that actually is in my right side of the, that is a small side of pad keyboard, that is actually called the numpad. Actually it have you the all power of the numpad. So keypad, and what it takes, it actually takes the standard screen that actually have in the n cursors std scr, and it takes the true, it makes the standard screen of the numpad actually true, right? So this is the numpad I can write. Alright folks, and what I will do, I will do no echo. Now what does it does, the no echo? No echo is when we type a key in our keyboard, it gives us an echo. So it actually disables the echo, right? Now what I will do, I will move maybe 0 to 0. That is actually the top left. If I show in the terminal, that is actually what is all over my screen here. Okay, so basically let's say this is our screen, and 0, 0 is this one. It is actually a rounded corner, but I don't know why it is rounded corner, but just think like this, yeah, just think like this. This is not rounded, right? So it actually is here, the 0, 0, and if it is 0, 1, it will move one axis to the x coordinate, because we actually write y, x, right? So one coordinate at one x or y, whatever we write. So right, this is the stuff. So we will move to the top left corner. Now I will return the user key printf, press left key to move left and right to move right, okay. And if you want to exit, press 0, right? All right. And after not giving the next line, you have to use one thing called flush. I can write ffl flush. It is actually coming from a standard library, but I am ignoring this because I will just use the cursors module here, right? I'm just ignoring this, but you should use flush std out, right? And obviously you can define the types there, but I am actually ignoring that. Now what I will do, while my key that I should declare in the top, that is actually, yeah, that is a key. So why my key is not 0, then I will do this all one step more, yeah, like this. So yeah, so what I will do, I will move my, so let me actually set one thing, that is the initial position of the what I'll say, pointer, maybe that will be maybe x equals to y equals maybe 6, my favorite number. All right. So now what I will do, I will move, right? I will move. So I will do move y comma x, right? So I am going 5 from the y coordinate and 5 from the x coordinate, and the key, I have written a key. The key will be get. Now what the fuck is get? Get actually get the character whatever I will write throughout my keyboards, and it will get that. And actually I should not, because when I will see my pointer I will not see anything else. So maybe I will draw some maybe icon for that will hold my pointers. I think, is there anyone is commenting? Because I will get another curse. Yeah, no one is commenting. Oh, 3 views, holy shit. Alright folks, I think we are now very close. So what we'll do, mainly we will print something on the window. Maybe what I will print, by the way, maybe, yeah, mouse here, alright, and I can refresh. Now what does it mean by refresh? So basically if I don't do refresh, I can't see whatever I will write on my screen. Next, that first thing, the key will be get. Yeah, I am getting whatever I will write, get the value of key. And now the logics. What the logic? Logics. So what will be the logic? So my first logic is, if I will get some big spaces. So if the key, if the key is equal to key left, this actually stores in the incursus, so I don't have to write it manually. So now we can move 1 tab to go, a proper position, x minus minus. If key, so if, understand this very clearly, right? It's actually not a 3-dimensional plane, it's actually a 2-dimensional plane. So this is the plane. Think your pointer is like this position, right? You want to move right side. If you want to move right side, so point to be noted, I don't want to crash in the wall. That's why I have pointed my pointer in something like 5,5. So I can actually move throughout this position and also in this position. So I'll not collide. So I have my pointer at this position. So if I want to go at my left, so my right, I think you guys should have that. Yeah, in my left. Holy shit, what I've did. In my right, how to do it? So actually, when I will go to my right side, see properly, I am increasing my x coordinate value. This is the x, right? This is the x and this is the y. So I'm increasing the x value. When I want to go to my left side, what I will do? I will decrease the x value. So obviously, for key equal to key right, that time I will do x, sorry, what I did, yeah, for key left I don't know why today actually it is giving me the problem. It's actually the bad network connection, not for me. I have 2 Wi-Fi. I have connected the first one first, that was giving problem. Now the second one is also giving problem. What the fuck with OBS, I don't know. So yeah, understand this properly. When I will collide, so if that is 0, I will make the key equal to 0. If the key equal to 0, I will return completely. So yeah, that's the thing. So after that, if my x value is लेस देन 0, आई मीन x is reducing, right? X is reducing, तो reducing करते करते एकदम लास्ट में आ गया, तो it will collide to the what I'll say, this is border. If this border, I will return 0, so x equal to 0, and else if I will do plus, and another loop, else if, for actually handling the upside and downside. So first thing is downside, so key equal to key down. So understand for downside part, that is actually for left right. So when I am coming down, that time I am increasing the y, holy shit, increasing the y for down, for up decreasing, same thing. That is very easy if you think like in visualize the stuff. So that will be y plus plus, and else if key up, y minus minus. Pretty simple, right? Another thing I should check about the boundary statement. The boundary statement I have checked for the first one, but I should check that for the last one also. I mean everything also, right? So if x is less than 0, so I think I should make this stream as creating a project and discussing something about the project before, because I have done this logic first previously, and now if it is greater than 30, right, I mean the screen I have greater than 30, then I will do x equals to 0, I will return it. Also I will do if y is less than 0, I mean for the y-axis, I will do y equal to 0, right? And if y is greater than 30, then y equal to 30. Alright buddy, alright. So I have done something crazy. Now after doing all of this, I have to end it, right? So in C we can end with return 0, but here how should I return? I will return end win and with return 0. I don't think return 0 will work, but we will see. GCC card game .c-o card game. Oh, nice. I have getting some warning. Why is the warning? Because I haven't explicitly set the ncurses module here. So GCC card game .c-o card game. Now /l for the libraries ncurses, ncurses, right? Yeah, it's compiled. Okay, mouse here. Oh, it is increasing the what here. Holy shit, it is actually doing something crazy. So okay, I have some bug here, so let me fix that bug quickly. 0, yeah, 0 is working, but yeah, I think I should fix that some. Right, let me go to my terminal and see. So I have need the screen. What I did? Alright, so everything is in 6. I have done init screen, I have done keypad, no echo, x equal to y equal to 6, all is quite good. So if it is 0, I will return, and it is working properly. Now before, so yeah, I found what the bug is. So actually before that I should do clear. Oh, I should do clear, right? First thing was this, right? And I am printing. Okay, so yeah, I got the second bug also. Now before moving, I should move to 0,0. So this should not stay at here. Instead, this should stay at, what I've done. What did it's doing? I don't know. So move 0, 0. And move y comma x should not here. First thing is clear, then I will have this. I will have this at the first. Before clear to top or right, top left, I should get this. Now press left on everything. The move y comma x. Now I am moving, right? Now I am moving. Yeah, I had some logical issue. All right. Now I am getting this gauge and all. All right. Yeah, everything is working. See, when I'm going to this, I am moving. I can move top. I can move. What is this? What? I have seen the blinking. So yeah, that's the thing. I think that was a bluff. Yeah, that was a bluff. That was a bluff. That was a bluff. So yeah, see this properly. What I will implement the same thing. But what will be the different? That different is this thing. This is my card, and I am moving my card like this, and the obstacles are coming. Oh, that was a bug. I think there was a bit stuff in my code. I think I don't know what was the bug. To be very honest, yeah, just get it out there. Did I? Just a second. Did I? Okay. Alright, if you go to press, I don't know what was the bug actually, to be very honest, but yeah, holy shit, just leave that. Oh, I got it. Just guess what was the bug. It is not printf, it is print w. Yeah. So yeah, now it should not bug. Now see, here I have everything. Press the left key to move right and left. F1 to X, press 0. So yeah, this is what we are going to make. That will be our cursor, I mean the card, and the obstacles will come like this, having their speeds, and I have to just move, right? Just a second, let me just... Alright folks, sorry for the delay. Now it will be a long code. So let me start from doing this. What I will do, let me go to the Vim. So will it be a describing stuff like this, or will it be a silent coding? I don't know. Let me do it. Let me delete everything and start from importing some module that I need. Include. I need obviously Incursus. Incursus should be stay on the top because it is actually the project of Incursus. And I need the string for doing string operation. I need the standard library. We need a string. I don't know. I don't think I should need the string. I need the UniStd. What is the importance of UniStd? So basically, UniStd is needs for the Flash Not the Flash, to be honest. There are also some modules for UniSTD. I don't know what are they. I think we should search for. Oh, sorry, man 3 mem set. No, mem man 3 Flash. No, 3 that. What was that? I don't know. What was that? For mem set. It is important. Let me search actually. What was that? UniSTD in C. What are the stuff inside of UniSTD? I think I should not need it. Let me see if I need it or not. I think I should not need it. Let me remove this for now. Alright folks, so what I need for calculating the time, obviously time.age, and yeah, that's all I need. Yeah, that's all I need. Now let me write the main function first, or should I should write everything from the very beginning. So at first let me define some credentials. First thing is define the road width, road height, car width, car height, obstacle width, obstacle height. So this most first thing is road width is 20. I should not need for declaration to define road. What will be the road height? Maybe 20, because it will be something like this. Yeah, let me do it. Define car. Wait, what will be the car width? Alright, so let me take. There are two options for me. Actually, taking the obstacles height width same as the car, and taking the hacking and different. What I'll do. So for simplification, I am taking everything as 3 and 2, right? Car 2 defined ob STSCLE obstacle width 3 and define height as 2. Alright, this was the declarations. Now for the position of the mouse, I should have a x and y, right? So for that I will do type def a structure struct structure that will grab the int x and y. So int x comma y, or I can do int x comma int y, but yeah. And what I will call with them, the name should be maybe position. So if I call position x, that I'll get the inside of x value or y value. That is pretty simple. Now folks, the first thing is the card. Now the thing is how should the card look? Because I don't write the full card image here, so let me go to Excalibur and get some idea about how should the card look. Maybe like this. This should be so. Guys, so if you are on YouTube, maybe give me some idea. Holy shit, Akib is there, bro. Teach me how to add two numbers. Crap यार. Why, where are you? कौन से टाइम पे you have did the comment? Holy shit, I didn't have seen you. Crap. Leave it. So basically, what will be the car? How should the car look? Guys, if you are on YouTube, please comment me up. How should the car look? I don't know, maybe. How should the car look? Give me an idea. Otherwise, I will take a shit as design. So maybe something like this. Just something. Maybe this should more like something like truck. I think this should good. I don't know. Maybe I should change. If anyone give me a good idea, because you haven't given me. So yeah. So yeah. Let me start. So void. Draw a card. Alright, and I will get position will be card, right? It will grab the structure having the x coordinate and y coordinate. I am naming the coordinate as card. So the position will be actually a structure. The name of the position, I mean the name of the structure is card. Got it? What I will do? So we have used print w, but actually print w works. They will draw some stuff, but I will move the pointer and draw a car. So for that I have mv print w, and how I will look. So car dot y. Understand this is not a pointer, this is actually a variable and a type integer type variable. So I will do, so if I do it using the real life structure, like if the structure name is let's say values, so values dot y, values dot x. So I am writing something like that. So car dot y comma car dot x, and it takes the stuff that I have to write. So dash this two line. I don't know how should it look. And mv print w car, so it will move. So first thing it have done, it has does that right. So how should this look? Is anyone here? No. So basically the first thing is this. Now I am moving to the next coordinate, so that is 0.00. let's say 00 in assumptions. I will set that later. I will move this and maybe this, some box. It is not a card, it's a box. All right folks, so dot y plus 1 and car dot x plus 1. I am thinking how much big time I have to give it to debugging, but yeah, let me do it. But I'm not a good coder in C, so I will do this, right? So I think this is good. Alright folks, so the card is done. Now the obstacles, the same thing is for obstacles, but the obstacles, is this the spelling of obstacles? I don't know. So void obstacles, it will grab the position of obstacle and the thing same as what I've did of, but how should it look? Maybe it should look like a trash, like same as this, but some hash in here, maybe some asterisk. I think asterisk should look good. Just think of, yeah, that is good. I don't know, people are not responding. I don't know, I should do it like this maybe. So yeah, mv print w car dot y comma car dot x comma, how should this look? This is actually a big problem for me. Maybe this, and also mav print w car dot y plus 1 car dot x plus 1, and yeah, obviously inside of a string, I mean character of strings. Shit. Alright folks, now what I need, let me get some spaces here. Now I think this is good. Now what I need now, I did the car, I did the obstacles. Now how the car moves, how the car moves, actually we should check how the obstacles move, because there are some important stuffs of concepts here. So how the obstacles should move. So understand this. This is the screen. This is my car. And I don't care about car. I am just caring about the obstacles. How the obstacles should move. So obstacles should, the first thing is how should the obstacle be positioned, because that should not be like there will be something like this, like in one row or in one column, or just doing like that. I have to do shuffle, proper shuffling, so I need a random. Alright, so I need, and one thing also, the thing is, let's say the guy, he crosses one obstacles, his score should increase. So maybe there should a variable, I will not in itna bada, so yeah, score maybe 10. So if he moves, if he covers a car, that will be maybe 10. So if this became 10, the speed of the obstacles will increase, so the level will be more high. Okay, the chances of winning of the guy should be less. Alright, so I need 3 things here. So let me create that. It will return void, obviously. Update obstacles. It will get the position. Position will be obviously the obstacle. Now some guys, if you think why I have written obstacles having a pointer, the thing is I will use instead of an array stuff. So I think you should know, I think you should see this. That's why I have actually giving us some ideas about pointers before. So yeah, int number of obstacles, I mean how many numbers of obstacles that will come, and the speed. I will after writing the code, I will maybe create some signature of the functions, like afterwards. So I think yeah. Alright folks, now how should they work? So what I will do, first thing, I will iterate throughout the number of obstacles, right? Now how should I get the number of obstacles? Maybe I should avail this logic in my I don't know, maybe in the main functions, or I will do it later here. But why there is so much mosquitoes on my room? Okay, so basically it will start from 0 to number of obstacles. Let's say I need 100 obstacles, right? And how should it work? So how should it work? So the obstacles of I mean initialize 0 to the number of obstacles. Yeah, that is good. That should be dot y, that should be greater than the road height. that should be greater than the road height. So let's say the road height is I have stated what the road height. Road height is 20. So that should be maybe let's say 30. So if that is 30 that have passed throughout, yeah, that is correct. That is correct. That is correct. So yeah. So if it is not greater, that should be less. If that is less than the road height, that should enter. Otherwise, it should cross out of the bound. So let me set the logic for the first. So let me set the logic. Alright folks, so first thing is I have to create a for loop. So for okay, before that I have to set the iterator. So int I, so for I equal to 0, and I should be less than the number of obstacles. So I can write a number, but yeah, number of, yeah, let me do one thing. Let me do number of TSELES obstacles and I plus plus. Maybe I should change it, but yeah, let me do it. I think I like this. I don't know this logic will work or not, but yeah, let me do here. If it does not succeed, I will change it for now. Alright folks, now what will it do? First thing, it will go out of bound condition, out of bound checking, if obstacles of I dot y, if it is greater than the road height I have set it, what it will do? It will set the y also to the 0. It will set the y to 0. I mean, it will initialize, it will come to main position. So yeah, that is good. So obstacles of I mean having the index I should call like this, right? Equal to 0. All right. And how should I position? How should I position this? So I should have a random integer that will randomize the values, right? Yeah, that is correct. Should I create so in C, to be very honest, in C we have something called pseudo randomizer, because it not really gives the random, but I should use something called, yeah, I got it now. Yeah, so I actually thought these first key. I will use the random function to randomize those obstacles. That time I need something called a seed, that is called srand, and to use the srand I will get something called get process ID or get PID, and for that I need the UniSTD. So for getting the PID, man3 get PID, maybe into, yeah, for that I need UniSTD. Yeah, so I actually thought that first. So yeah, just for that. So obstacles of I dot x, right, will be the rand values having the modulo operator. So it will be in the columns minus obstacles, right? I think this will be good. Yeah, calls minus STS obstacles width. All right folks, I'm seeing the chat here, but No one is chatting. Is anyone chatting? Is my live still on? Yeah, is anyone chatting? No one is chatting. Alright folks, so the if condition is checking that everything properly. Now I should draw the obstacles. So now draw, what was the function? That was draw OBS TSLC. Yeah. That should be draw obstacles, not just obstacles. Draw obstacles. There's everything for the naming. Draw obstacles. Obstacles having the I. So it get the I mean the index. So what can you guess what should the index will get? So index is a pointer. So in the pointer it will have the x coordinate and y coordinate. And to actually initialize that stuff very clearly, I have implemented a pointer here. What is the pointer? The pointer is this buddy. So what's the pointer will point? Can anyone tell what's the pointer will point? The pointer actually will point the whole structure. And what is the I is pointing? The I is pointing also the first thing of the structure. So I am getting the structure as a draw obstacles instead of the draw obstacles. Now everything is setted and I think it is good, but we cannot check right now. Alright folks, so now what I have one option. So I think I should do, yeah, so collision checking. So what will the collision checking? So the car versus obstacles. So it will return an integer, a value. If the value has, maybe I will return 0, or if the value returns 0, that time I will say there is a collision, otherwise I will say there is no collision. I think that is good. So check collision. I will take position of my car. I will take position of the obstacles and the number of obstacles. Yeah, position of obstacles and int number of. Oh, there is too much mosquito here in my room. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, that is good. I think I should not do it. I think this is good, right? Just positioning a bit. This is not intended for C, actually intended for Python, but I am just, yeah. So everything will done what I have did here. So there will be loops, and that loop will be go through the whole obstacles number. So for I will take int I for I equal to 0, like this, 0, and number of obstacles I plus. I actually learned this num obstacles for the first time, but so that I will write here to that how it should work or not. But yeah, I think so. The first thing is obviously the inbound checking that I had done the first. So if the car of y is less than, so how should the collision be possible? The y coordinate of the car. Alright, so let me think in a real way. How should the collision work? So this is the car. This is my car, right? If there is a collision. So if the y coordinate of the card, I mean this coordinate of the card, this coordinate of the card is actually smaller than the y coordinate of the obstacles plus obstacle height. Yeah, because they both have the same height and width. Just think like this: if the card y, if the y-axis of the card, so let's say in this position, let's say the y-axis of the card is y means actually what y means. This is x, this is y. Yeah, this is y-axis. Let's say this is 31, comma, I don't know, maybe 15. And for the card, if it comes like this position, if he just touch and goes out, मतलब छू के चले जाए जिसको हम कहते हैं, that time it will be equal. But if it is collided, that time its y-axis plus the height of the card. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, the first thing is, that is not the single thing. So obstacles of I dot y plus obstacle height and what and card y, this is the card, the y-axis of the card plus the card height should be greater than, oh yeah, if it collides. Correct. Yeah, that is correct. So what I did is, if the obstacles of I dot y, card dot y plus the card height is greater than the obstacles of I dot y. So the same way as I can write कि card dot x should be less than obstacles x I dot x, obstacles I dot x plus obstacle width plus obstacle width, and I can write a new line, and yeah, card x, same thing, card dot x plus card width should be greater than obstacle of I dot x. If this is true, I will do return 1, collision detected. If nothing, I will do return 0. So let me do some simplification, let me do some one-liner. Yeah, now everything is doing for perfect. Now I should increase the speed. Oh, by the way, um, no one is commenting. Who is he? There is simultaneously I'm singing this. Holy shit, no, nothing. So in my phone there is actually YouTube open and I am getting pop-up simultaneously. So I'm seeing कि भाई किसी ने अगर have messaged me. So I wanna see something कि I'm seeing about the function. Is this correct? I know that this function will be give me some bug. I'm sure about it, but I'm thinking, is it okay? I mean the obstacles one. Am I missing something? Let me see it later. Alright folks, now collision is done. I have figured out collision. Now void, what will this be? Nothing, this will not be nothing. So I will study in main function. There will be a return 0. Alright folks, so first thing is I will init the SCR, not SRC, the folder that we use in React or Next.js maybe. Yeah, so first thing is I am setting the keypad, I mean the numpad, so that will take stdscr and obviously what true. Yeah, and I need no echo. That are actually the settings. And one thing is I will use one thing called, let me search it, curse set in I'm actually searching, does the same what I'm thinking. Okay, so yeah, I think sets the appearance of the cursor based value on the visibility. I am thinking this is correct. I am hoping, I can hope. So curse set, this will be 0. Also no delay, yeah, no delay. It will take stdscr and I will have a true. Alright folks, so one thing is position. So position of car is calls by 2 comma road. So this is x, calls by 2 is actually x or y, x, yeah, x. Road, what, width or height? Yeah, height. Road height, there is y, there is x, yeah, correct. Minus, what I'll do, 3 or 4, yeah, maybe 3 by 2, because the height and width of the obstacles are actually like this. So yeah, I think this is correct. Now yeah, I have forget one thing. I have said that I am thinking the draw collision will be something bug. I think, yeah, I have some problem there. So yeah, first thing int initialize the speed will be 1, and my score, what will my score? My score will be initialized 0, right? Int number of OBSTC obstacles will be 3 initially. I can increase but decrease. Now position obstacles is 3. That is very an array. Now initialize the obstacle. Initialize the obstacles. I will use a for loop, simple for loop. Not simple, that will be a basic for loop, not like the previous that I have actually did. So it will the same thing like for I declare something called I. For I equal to 0, I should go, nums obstacles alright. What will do? So obstacles of I dot x will be random percentile calls minus obstacles width. And obstacles I of y will be also randomize the stuff, right? Rand percentile. So why I use percentile? Because if I do, see this thing carefully, if I do what is my Excalibur, if I do, let's say a function int x equal to rand modulo, let's say I am writing max, so it will take the values what I will get the random value 0 to the max, let's say 6. So it will give in between of 0 to 6, and if I do plus 1 to, it will do what? So it will not do, sorry, max minus 1, it will do 0 to 5. If I do plus 1, it will do 0 to 6. So yeah, that's the thing. So road height, right? I think the for loop is done. Now after the for loop, while this is true, the condition is true, first thing what I will do is I will get, or sorry, I will clear, because I am using what is this ncurses here. Now I will display the road. I should create a function to actually print the road, but I think this is a simple for loop, though. Should I? I think I should. Yeah, so for int I equal to 0, so I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I will go to road height. I can write this, right? Road height. So if what yeah, now this is work. All right, folks. So what it will do? So it will do mv. So how should the, so first thing is the I, next 0. I mean the stdc. See what are the credentials I needed. I need the car y, car x, and the value and a print. So yeah. So I 0 and a modulo value. Not modulo means, this is modulo, I mean the percentage. Modulo means mod. We say a mod. Mod 2, mod x minus 1. That will always return a positive, so that mod. Yeah. And also mv. Oops. mv print w 1 comma 1 comma calls minus 1 and another modulo. All right, buddy. Now draw the card. Our famous card. How should the card look? The function, call the function draw card. It will get the card. Did I have card? Yeah, I have position card. This one, this buddy. Oops. Alright, draw. I have drew the card. Now update the obstacles and check for the collisions, obviously. Right. Alright. Let me call update date obstacles. It will take the obstacles, number of obstacles, and what I need, a speed. All right. Now if check collision, what check collision will take? Check collision will take the car, the obstacles of number of obstacles. So it will take the car, the obstacles, and the number of obstacles. If this is true, what I will do, mv print w road height by 2 comma calls by 2 minus, what was that? What was that? Let me see. Three and 2, all right, 5. So 2 minus 5. Game over. I will do refresh. I will do maybe a sleep of 3 seconds for and after that break. Alright folks, now the user should press Q to left, right? So the user should zero to quit or Q to quit. I think Q is good. Q to quit. Alright folks, so basically int, so that is easy. Int ch will be get if the ch is equal to q, then break, and obviously if I bound, so if the ch is equal to key, right, and then car dot x will be greater than 1, then car dot x minus minus, I mean the right side movement I'm setting, and obviously if c is equal to, so what is the left and right? So left, alright, so this should be left, equal to key of right, and then car dot y, sorry, dot x is greater than 1, no, right, and then what should it be? Should be less than calls minus cars with -1, then car will be car dot x plus plus, and square plus plus if, and yeah, refresh, and percent speed, and I don't need anything, so end when, and return 0. Escape. Shit, I did some misspelling. First thing is at the line of 23, I can write 23, then enter. There was which line? What is it? I am sorry, I actually gone for another program. Let's see, 23, right? Yeah, I'm correct. So what is saying? Car undeclared. Position card, yeah. I will take care of that later. Let me see for the another one. Obstacles width. So every obstacle, okay, sorry, so that is a misspelling. So obstacle L. So for this, I can use macro but to replace everyone, but I think this is good. Obstacle, this is obstacle, correct? Obstacle, correct? Obstacles. All right, another one. Nums obstacle, that is 96. Oh, there is no delay. Acha acha. 81. 81. There is no delay. I have a question on that line. All right. Another one is in 135 line. Cars not car width in 100 and what was that? 135. all right, 135 line, that is car not cars. All right, another one is for slip. All right, so I can write man 3 slip, that is unistd. All right, so I have to import unistd. I hash include unistd.h. all right, another thing is, yeah, gcc car game dot c dash o car game dash ln cur n curses. Implicit declaration of rand. So I will do man 3 rand, that is stdlib. all right, so we have to import hash include h, and I have to give the seed. srand. I can give anything, but I think for doing more abstract value, I mean more arbitrary value, I think I should use getweed. Okay, another one, obstacles and obstacle 98, line 98. Num obstacles, nums obstacles, that is num, right? Another one is 55. Yeah, what is wrong here? Oh, sorry, that will be obstacle width. Yeah, 55. Who is commenting me? Akivalam. Oh, thank you, bhai, for subscribing my account. There is a shout out. Actually, I am debugging the code. width. All right, folks. Now this bug. Card is undeclared in 929. Holy crap, what did I did? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what I did? Obstacle of x, obstacle of x, y, x, and this will be obstacle of x, yeah, it compiles. Holy shit, I have a segmentation fault. Awesome. Now fix this out. Let me see that what is the segmentation fault. Try to debug this, right? The main debug thing I have to do with this. So I think that here is the speed int I. So I think before checking the out of bound, I have to do something like obstacles of I dot y should be plus equal to speed. Another bug. Alright, so I think I have to do it. I is greater than I is num obstacles. Then for the collision, alright, I should be greater than this, and yeah, and for main function I have set everything 0 speed. Again segmentation fault. I don't know while is here. I don't know where the bug is occurring. What did nothing happens. There's a problem in the code. Alright, let me read everything from the start. Alright, so I have set it a draw card value, and I've taken the position and a y and x of the value, right? This is good. And mv print w, I'm printing. This is all about the printing function, so this should work. Now for update obstacles, is there anyone who is commenting on? No, 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 and no. Crap. The void obstacles. Int I. Speed. Y is greater than the road height. This is correct. Check condition. Check condition is obstacles int I. If car of y should be high. I don't have a score, that's why this is giving me bug. I think if score percentile 10 equal to 0 and the speed is, I don't know, what was it, 3, yeah, maybe 3, then do speed plus plus. Yeah, not done. I have to implement the function over there. So increase the speed. Yeah, that is not a variable, that's actually a pointer. There is actually a pointer. So I will do something like this. Should it work or not? I don't know. Oh, I am so, yeah, I got a bug. In which line? I don't think that it is. intended or not. Obstacle height, have I implemented? Yeah, I have implemented that. So I did the main function. So main at first init screen, yeah, the is rand get bid, then keep add stdscr and true, right? No echo course set. And first clear. All right, I am getting where I did wrong. Maybe not, actually this is not the case. mb print w 0 comma 3 comma score will be percentile d. Actually why 03? Because if I write the score at the top left, then some character may not be seen, so that will be the score. All right, and yeah, print w, what will be, that will be maybe 1 comma 3, that will be press q to exit or quit. All right, then draw the road 0 to I should be greater than road width. Then draw the car, update the obstacles, check if the collision occurs, car obstacle, refresh, slip, brake. All right, after the score plus plus, I have to do increase speed. What does they take? The speed pointer and the speed pointer and the score. Refresh, and I can do use slip begin t by speed. And this should be inside of the if loop. Or the while loop. I think the while loop. Yeah, I think this was the problem. This was actually the problem. in line number, which line it was, at line 56. If card by obstacles, I don't know, plus obstacle height. Yeah, that is fine, completely fine. Another one, what was that? At line number 200. Obstacle height is undeclared. I'm not sure about it. Obstacle height is undeclared. Just see this. What is the problem according? Actually, I don't like to use ChatGPT, to be very honest, but I think I am doing some very little silly mistake. Why I am copying my keyboard, man? I am copying in my Excalibur. Why I cannot? I think I should have drag and drop the files. Just a second. Card game. Yeah. Unsave the card game. Yeah. What is the problem here? The simple card game type. I'll not say anything. What? OBSTSL. OBSTSL. Holy shit. I am like this. Am I like this? Shit. I should take a class here. Holy shit, holy shit. I think no one have seen this video. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Done, brother, done. See, how funny is this? How funny is this? So actually, to be honest, actually there was no logical error. Everything was there, was, this. So you see. Yeah, now it is game over. So now actually the card is a bit bad condition. The card is a bit bad condition in it. So let me go to Vim again. I think I should have another. Right? Yeah, now it is good. Now this is good. Yeah, everything is quieting. Is this code updating properly? Yeah, the score is good. The score is good, buddy. Yeah, 165. Again I'll play. This is pretty cool, right? This is pretty cool. The speed is increasing. See the speed is increasing. See, everything is going quite good. Right. This is good. So this is pretty cool. But this bug was the holy shit bug that opens me ChatGPT and finds me that there was only one typo. Holy crap, I was like this, what the fuck is the bug? So okay, one thing is this. Now the second bug was this bug. I am not really sure. Let me do one thing. Let me try this once again because at the first time we literally haven't figured out what actually the bug was, so we were just trying everything that seemed fragile to us. But yeah, this time we will not use this because actually I have seen some code that some guys have written quite good code by writing this. Yeah, that was a bug. That was okay. I thought I have lost my code, so I will revamp that, right? I'm not sure what was actually the bug for, but yeah, I mean this I was not quite sure for that. Yeah. If anyone knows, just comment me up, please. That will be let me go. I think in the upside there was a function for loop. There is no for loop. Here is a for loop. Yeah, there is no. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, there was a bug. Yeah, there is I. Yeah, there is. I have seen key actually. Yeah, now this is good. So buddy, everything looking good. Now the last thing is anyone on the chat right now just doing a hustle with me? Ah, yeah, Akib is there. Hi Akib, are you here? Hi man, are you here? Akib, are you here man? Just ping me up if you are here. Hello bhai. Actually, the problem is with me. I have no switched off my phone. See, I have switched off my phone. So मैं क्या करता हूँ कि ऐसे मेरा I mean I open my phone and put my phone like this, right? Okay. So for that I can see the chat, but to be very honest, I don't have a huge audience, so that I just um, switched my phone off now. And yeah, there is another thing called why slow mode, because those who know that I actually used a software. That software name was a bit quirky. So in that software there you have to open the slow mode, because if you don't open slow mode, the software didn't work. Now I have switched to OBS. So yeah, and obviously I usually stream on Twitch, तो वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा audience मिलता है, तो it will be very, it actually is very good, you know, when you're getting a good audience. So to read the chats, I actually use the slow-mo mode. So that's all, but that's not all for the code. I have to write some good C code that actually Sir Birch have taught us. So I have to do nothing, just yeah, maybe nothing, but maybe I can do one thing. Yeah, I think this is all. I can do a signature call, to be very honest, but should the signature call work? Let me do for void rocker. It will have the position for draw obstacles. Position, I don't think so that will work or not, but I think I am just exaggerating the topics, but let me do it. I love doing. So int collision, so I can write a type def int select, so select, okay, for update obstacle, so void update obstacle, that will be also position obstacles. So I can write position. Does it work or not? Or I think I should not exaggerate the topic here. Yeah, because it is looking good. It is not a bit of too much. So basically what I did is what I was doing, just declaring the function here, void func name, so that I will just declare the types here using type def. So yeah, that's the thing. But as I have only one big function here, that is not big function, check collision and increase speed. And yeah, mainly the check collision function is actually returning an integer, and expect the other functions are actually the void. So yeah, that's the thing. And another thing is, can we reduce one thing? No, I think, yeah, another thing we can do, that is what, if the user is on the same mode, let's say in the same screen, if he wanna do replay, so he will play that game again, and maybe he will compete with his own score. That will be crazy, right? So I think 2 hours passed, and what's the time? What the fuck, I have searched on ChatGPT, holy shit. What's the time right now? 3 AM, holy shit, I have to still sleep properly. Yeah, I think in the next video, or maybe that will not be a stream, but maybe it will be a speed run of C. I will do a speed run. Before that, I have to just clear my Vim so that there will be no extra spaces, and I'll make this code available on my GitHub maybe. Yeah, so after this maybe I will do that. So far so good. Let me remove the to do, because we have actually there is the problem, and we have actually pointed out कि यहाँ पे इस to do है, तो this is actually the cause of the problem. So yeah, that's all for boys, not boys, maybe girls are there also, but yeah. So let me write something, for increase speed. And one thing, when I was writing the increase speed, I didn't have spoken too much, so let me tell you why, how the speed is moving on. So if the score modulo 10 is 0 and the speed pointer, so pointer we noted here, that means let's say I have written int speed is, let's say 10, less than 15, right? And I have a pointer set it, let's say pointer sp, that is actually pointing to the speed. It is not actually the correct sign to do it, so I have set it an integer pointer that is actually pointing sp equal to sp, right? So this is actually the correct stuff. So for that's why I have written here, not this, not this, but this. Alright folks, so let me play the game once. So is there anyone who is watching? No. Holy shit. Holy, yeah, I have tried. So far so good. 135 again. I will try it again. So far so good. If I go at most left side, so what happened? So this is actually a bug. This is actually no, that is not a bug, that is actually my luck. So I can have, actually the sleep is occurring because of this slip, so you can reduce the slip a bit. I think I should reduce a bit, or I think this is good, because after losing, people should see once कि भाई कितना score बनाया, how much score I have made. So yeah, next part of the video I will write that what will be the next target of the video. Next part 1, add a replay section where people can press R to replay the game and compete with their own score. If they bet their score, then the score can be overwritten. 2 is what will be 2? Yeah, I think this is what I need. Yeah, uneven user, add a prompt to the user to select which type of card they want. 1 small, big, 2 big, 3 some custom height and width. Okay, so user should prompt the height and the width of the card. We can't do it right now, this is a quick fix. Next thing is make the obstacles a bit big, so that not possible. That's not possible. It's not true. That's actually a bit paranoid for the user. So because there is a big and there is only small card, so yeah, that's actually a bit big stuff. So the next thing is yeah, that's all what I thought. Maybe what next I want. Replay was a bit important and interesting. Yeah, that's all. Sorry, that's all. Yeah, and one thing I needed is select the region of the car, but that will be a bit too much. And yeah, that will be a bit of too much that no one have ever wanted, क्योंकि किसी ने नहीं सोचा कि I should need a car having some designing over here, but you cannot make that on ASCII. But I think that's all for today. Yeah, road height and road width, we cannot make them dynamic. Why? Because actually that is not needed, to be very honest. Yeah, if you want कि there should be more narrow road, you can do it, but that thing is not कि road will be increasing in a certain more amount of time and to be decreased in certain time that is not true. That should be static throughout the whole game. Next thing is the color. I think I'm not in a certain level where I can put out color and nice designing in C, but for sure if I learn, I think I can do it. There are some section where people have told key while writing the printw statement, let's say where there is printw statement, just printw. Yeah, not this. What was that? I don't have just printw. Yeah, but if I need just printw, that time I should not have this. But yeah, inside of the string, I mean the character of the array of characters, you can invoke some ASCII in the form of alphabet, English alphabets. I have seen a person doing that, but I don't think that is good. You should create some type def for that and invoke the type def inside of your array of characters to actually use the color. Instead of that will be a bit of paranoid for the developers to actually code that. And yeah, that's what. And to be honest, this game is the most lenient game I have ever made. The most easiest, to be honest. I have hardly used the pointer, but some of cases I have used pointer because your is in structure, so some of time you have to use pointer as of the declarations, the type defs and all. So I have said that what exactly the pointer are, and I have also said how the ncurses works under the hood, and that's all. And really I don't have needed stdio or .h. I have just barely used so much module in C. I just have implemented only stdlib and unistd and times. Time is actually for the times. I don't think that we needed time. Should I? Yeah, we don't need. Yeah, we don't need times. So we can do a bit of, should I need this? Yeah. So we just have implemented just 3 simple module, ncurses, unistd and stdlib, just mainly ncurses. This project mainly focuses on ncurses, not any other stuff. Just a bit math. Okay, not math too much, just math is in here. A bit maths, not maths, just a coordinate geometry, that how should be the height. You know one thing, just understand this line carefully. How should it be? Just write a pen and paper and interestingly do it. So yeah, let me, I think if there is time, I think I should analyze the point a bit in front of you. I think I should do it. Let me tell you exactly how it is working under the hood. Understand this. When car.y, what does it mean by car.y? Car.y is meaning by this value. Alright, if car.y value is less than the obstacles of I, This is the obstacles. Obstacles dot y. I mean y. So obstacles y. So accordingly, this is y and this is actually 2. This is actually 3. For that also this is 2. This is 3. The drawing is a bit bad, but yeah. If it collides, and so basically car, so that time, so normally what is the value? Normally this is 3. I mean the car of y is actually 3, and for this is also 3, and plus the obstacle height. The obstacle height is what? 3. So 3 3 6. So car of, that is 6, and car of height, the car of height is what? The car of height is 2. 2 is greater than 3, and car of x is 2, that is greater than 2, plus obstacles with 3 5. So basically I am detecting ki this car is here and this obstacles is here, this position occurs or not. This is a simplest value. You can do another thing that is easy. Instead of this, you can do what? You can find the coordinate of each, not each, not each the front view. You can the coordinate of this and find the coordinate of this. If the difference between them is less than 2, that time you can say bhai collision occur hua. For this side also. Isn't that a bit abnormal and bad? I know, but yeah, that's all. So I think, yeah, but this thing is called difference based collision detection, and what I have implemented is called position based collision detection. Both are good, but I think this is more accurate to give you the more intense values. See, if I do a collision, see how the collision is occurring. Inside आ जा रहा है वो, so that's the thing, So yeah, and another fix I have forget. The fix is this. I have a rand function. I have modified the rand functions, to be honest, right? I have modified the rand function with std get PID. So PID is the process ID the process is running currently on, so it will give them a bit arbitrary one. Instead the normal rand is a bit what I'll say, not it is actually called pseudo randomization in C. So because in C actually it works everything in logical operations. So yeah, that's the thing, guys. So yeah, that's all. And yeah, let me just a second, let me add the code on my GitHub. Just a second. So there will be the GitHub SSL, so I should not open that, maybe just a second. Yeah, I have actually set it everything. So card game in C. This is a simple card game built in C. What is it? Slime. Alright, GitHub repo. And yeah, skip :WQ. So git init, git add. What's the file name? The file name was card game, right? .c. Git commit, added the game. Git push origin must. Oh, sorry, I haven't saved the URL. Git remote set URL. That will be car game in dash dash underscore c dot git. Yeah. Git push origin master. All right, folks. I should have a readme, right? So I think dot readme. I should have invoke some images, to be honest, but touch demo dot png. I think I should gcc / card game .c. Sorry. That's all. Just do pictures screenshot. What I'll call it demo.png. No. mv rm demo. I think I should do it like this. Home. All right, folks. Let me give some time. All right, so yeah. Okay. I got it. Actually, yep. Actually, this page was going there. So I don't know why this occurs, but actually, this is a bug. Desktop C, basic C, paste, remove, save. So yeah, that's all. git add demo, git demo png, git push all right, touch I think I should not do it because I am very bad at readme. So for now let me just remove the readme. If I have time I will generate the readme for you. So guys, that's all for the today. Everything is here. You can go to demo png to see the png. This nice png having a nice okay, another thing is I have to do buddy the last thing, last fix. I think the thing is like today the coding is not leaving me, so I don't know why. Yeah, the score is looking good. So in the PNG that was a bit bad. So that's all for today. Is there anyone who is watching me? No. If anyone was watching me right now, so I think I should give them some, I don't know. So bye bye for everyone. Let me end. Salute.